Hello traders. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim and welcome to readyforex.com live stream. Today is 25th December, Monday 2023. The year 2023 is about to end and I think it's a good idea to talk a little bit about some of my trading methods and trading strategies, the, the profitable trading strategies that I teach online. So let's get started. Let me see if you guys could manage to hear my voice and see my computer's screen. Just give me a second. I'm also going to check out some of my other stuff over here. Okay, seems to me the live stream looks fine. So let's move on. Okay, so first there is disclaimer. Okay. Well, this is basically mostly the Q&A section. For those who are interested to learn, just visit my website. But I'm going to ask you guys that if you have any questions, feel free to type inside the chat box. Okay, and I will be happy to answer. The name of the game is to make money. And in order to start making money in Forex trading, you need a trading plan. You can't just start doing trading just because you think that a price of a currency pair is going to move up or down. So let's do a little year review because the year is ending, so I think it's a good idea to review. So the 2023 year in review, and here's my trading account statement. You can see the equity curve. I don't have any working orders at the moment, and these are my trading account statistics. So overall I managed to make profit this year. So I would safely say, goodbye 2023 and welcome to 2024. Okay, for you, if you go to the video description, you can check out the Skype link is there. Okay, okay, so check out the Skype link. Okay, okay, so for those who have lost money in trading in year 2023, okay, so if you lost money in year 2023, you know that's not good. Okay, and if you want to change your future and you want to start making money in forex market, then you need a change. If you are not going to change, then the next year, the year 2024, the coming year, it's also going to be the same like the 2023. You're still going to lose money in the year 2023 if you are not going to change the way you trade the market. You will still behind your promises, you're still behind your bills, you'll still be losing money in the year 2024. So if you are looking for a change, then this presentation, this live session is for you guys. And I will show you some of my charts as well today. Okay, so if you will change, then everything will change for you. Okay, if you change your thinking about forex market, okay, you need to first understand that forex trading, it's not for everybody. Okay, people do forex trading because they want to make money, but the question is it for everybody or not? So that's what you can decide. Only you can decide that it's is it really for you or not. But if you are going to trade the market, then you need to think and act differently in year 2024. Otherwise you're going to lose money. You need to change your trading philosophy, that how you're going to approach the market. You need to have some kind of a trading plan. Okay, you need to refine your trading decisions. You should have some kind of a logic behind your trading decisions. For example, if you're going to open a trade, you should have a logical reason that why you think that a price of a specific trading instrument is going to move up or down. So you should have some kind of a logical reason behind it. If you change and accept that you need forex education, okay, learning is part of the journey, is part of the forex trading journey. Okay, and don't stop learning. You need education if you are looking for a change in year 2024. So here's a list of some of my trading courses that I teach. For example, I teach Forex Day Trading system. I also teach trading with chart patterns, and I also teach trading with Elliott Wave. All of these are one-to-one online Forex educational classes, and each class runtime duration is 60 minutes per lesson. Okay, so if you are interested, uh, you can learn, and you also get the video recording of your online class as well. Meaning, when I teach, I do the online one-to-one class, I also record that video session, I mean your video lesson, and you will get it after the presentation. And you will also get the custom design indicators for MetaTrader 4 charting software. You can trade your favorite currency pair, I mean, of your choice. Maybe you would like to trade cryptocurrencies, or maybe you would like to trade spot forex pairs, or maybe you want to do trading with the spot gold, spot silver, crude oil, or natural gas. Okay, and you can trade your favorite charts and time frame. I will explain it a little bit more over here. What it means is that you can trade, any time frame of your choice. You could trade 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours daily and weekly charts. That's totally up to you. My methods, they work with multiple time frames, same rules, same strategies, same indicators, and same settings. However, I did notice that the smaller time frames, like a 1 minute or a 5 minutes chart, there is too much market noise present inside those charts. So I would prefer to trade a 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame. So if you have a day job, you can trade the 4 hour chart, or you can trade the daily time frame as well. That's totally up to you. There are different ways to communicate with me. For example, you can send me an email. My email address is readyforex@readyforex.com. Now let's go over to some charts. So here's the euro dollar currency pair daily time frame, and you can see it's a simple plain chart uh, without any technical indicator. And the price action itself is the leading indicator, I would say, because if you go to the NZ indicator, there is a long list of trading indicators available. Okay, so and each and every trading software package comes with different types of technical indicators. that you can use. But all of these indicators, what they are going to do is they are going to use the historical data, and then they try to predict the future price direction with some sort of probability. That's what it's all about. And I can change the time frame, I can change the trading instrument. For example, you can add the spot gold, or over here we can check out the spot silver, or maybe a WTI crude oil. But all of these charts, these data charts, basically they're showing you the price action, and the indicators that you apply on these charts, they are going to use the historical data, whatever is the setting that you are going to use. But again, most of these indicators, they lags. That's my point. So price is the leading indicator. Okay, let's take a look at over here. This is the MACD. It's not a standard MACD. I just added, some colors, so make it a little bit easy to, make trading decisions for me. Also, it's easy for my eyes to clearly differentiate what the market is doing. This is the MACD, moving average convergence divergence indicator, created by Gerald Appel. If you take a look at a 1 hour time frame, I've applied some moving averages, and moving averages are basically trend following indicators. They works best inside a trending market environment, and whenever market becomes sideways, these moving averages usually fails. For example, let me show you an example. Okay, so here, I got this a bearish crossover right over here, and I'm also going to show you the indicator setting that I've applied. This is a 10 period exponential moving average with a 35 period slower moving average, and above there is a moving average crossover indicator. Now, like I said earlier, all of these indicators, most of them, they are lagging indicators. Price moves first, and then indicator moves. However, they do work with, some sort of probability. That is the reason why people use them. However, you need to first understand that the market environment changes. So let's talk about that market environment changes a little bit later. First, let's take a look at this crossover. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you could see we got a moving average crossover over here. So this red color arrow is basically telling that we got a possible sell trade over here, and people should be looking for the market to drop. And after moving sideways for a few hours, this is the 1 hour time frame of euro dollar currency pair. So after moving sideways a few hours, price did drop, and you can see we got a nice decline, and up until over here when we got a bullish crossover, which is basically a false crossover, and then another one. Basically, when you get these false crossovers, it means that the market isn't trending anymore. And here we got a buy trade crossover, which did work for some time, but then again we got multiple false and fake crossovers. So, there's no magic when it comes to moving average. The problem is that you need to use them at an appropriate time. Okay, there are some in moving average settings which obviously works much better as compared to other settings. Let's take a look at this chart over here. This is the MACD, moving average convergence divergence indicator, and I've applied the parabolic SAR, which is the stop and reverse system. People usually use it, and you can easily notice that in daily time frame, this is the pound dollar GBP/USD currency pair, and the parabolic SAR is below the price action, and price action is moving up. Let me remove the period separator. Okay, so as long as price action is staying above the parabolic SAR, we could assume that it's an uptrend, and we can further filter it out using the MACD. However, the problem is the indicator will stop working after some time, and I can tell you from experience, and in fact I can show you some chart examples over here as well. And I do not use the parabolic SAR, by the way. If you guys are thinking that I use it, I don't use the parabolic SAR indicator. Okay. However, I would like to show you some of these things, so you guys get a good idea. Okay, so if parabolic SAR is below the price action, then it means market is above the uh, it's going trying to go up, it's going to go higher, probably an uptrend. But then we go into a sideways phase or a consolidation phase, and then price action just goes sideways, and the same parabolic SAR which was working good stop working, and you start getting losing trades, and then markets start trending again, maybe a one winning trade over here and then another, but you got multiple losing trades along the way. Okay, that is the reason why I stick most of the time with a chart pattern or with the price action itself. I use charts, and I think price whatever you are looking for, that is present in the market. However, you can look for some chart patterns. I use basically Elliott Wave, and the Elliott Wave stuff, it works much better. um, Even some people use trend lines or channeling. For example, this looks like to me a nice trend channel over here. um, so this is just one line, but if I draw another line, okay, you can see that price was falling down right over here. Okay, let me go to some of the questions. Okay, Urdu is available. Well, I can teach. I mean, I know Urdu and Punjabi and English. Languages. Okay, I mean, actually few days ago, uh, one of my student from Australia, uh, he was a Punjabi Sikh, and I taught him a trading system, a day trading system. Okay, so if you are interested, fill out the order form. Okay, so over here, the channel, it's a simple channel, and we can easily see that, okay, price action is falling down, and once it breaks out of the channel, the chances are it's most likely going to rise up, and in case it did go up. Okay, there is one more thing that I would like to show, because I think most people, they have no idea about it. But let's take a look at some charts over here. So if you go over to the market watch, let's take a look at data window, and here you can see the high and the low of each and every candlestick is visible. Open, high, low, and close prices you can see at the left hand side of the chart. Okay, so if you measure the length of this candlestick, it's about 56 pips or 57 pips. Okay, or let's take a look at the longest one. This one looks like to me about 134. Okay, so this looks like to me the longest candlestick. So 140, let's say, yes, one okay, let's call it 140. So you got 140 pips, 140 pips move in one day. Now this is the euro dollar daily time frame, but the 140 pips move, it's not happening every day. First of all, the previous day was like 125, and the previous one was less than 100. Okay, and if you take a look at these candles, there's like 37 pips move in one day. So 147 pips move in one day, and this is the year 2023. Now if I go back and go over to some charts, the historical charts. Let's go back to year 2020. Oh no, I think 2008 would be fine. So let's go back a little bit, and here, this is the year 2008. Now let me zoom in a little bit, and this, the thing that I'm showing you guys, most people, they have no idea when they come to trade the market. Okay, they don't think about it this way. They think market is static. It's not. Forex market is dynamic. It changes, and that is the reason why the trading methods which works today will fail tomorrow or next week. I showed you the example of moving average. Here's the moving average, a sell trade which did work good, but after one winning trade you also face multiple losing trades. Okay, so let's go back to this chart, the euro dollar year 2008. Now you see in one day price moved 520 pips in euro dollar currency pair, same currency pair. I just changed the year. So this is a 520 pips move in one day, and if I go on this candlestick, it's like 432 pips move. Okay, 430 pips move in one trading day. And if you take a look at this long tail candlestick, 540 pips. Okay, this is the euro dollar, which is hardly moving 100 pips or 90 pips in one day in year 2003, 2020, sorry, 2023. So this is year 2008, year 2008. Okay, change the color to blue. You can see the price action, that how volatile it was. The average daily trading range increased as well, and you're easily getting 300 pips move or 500 pips or 400 pips move easily in one trading day, and this is year 2008. Now over here, even if you check out this candlestick, 390 pips. Let's take a look at this small candlestick. This looks like to me a small candlestick if you compare these. And price easily moved 128 pips in one trading day down over here. The smallest day that I could find over here is 128 pips in one day. And it means that what was working in year 2008 will stop working in 2023, or vice versa. So the thing is, the forex market is dynamic, it's not static, it changes, and people don't understand it. People say, okay, apply this indicator or that indicator, throw in this indicator, or this indicator looks fancy, or people are searching for some kind of a trading indicator which is going to work all the time. It doesn't work that way. Market that you see, whether it's a cryptocurrency market or whether you are trading the spot forex pairs or futures market or stocks or whatever you trade, whatever is the financial trading instrument, there's a long list of trading instruments out there. I mean, you can trade the stocks as well, you can trade the spot gold, whatever it is. The indicators will stop working when the market is going to change. So if you like to trade with indicators, then first of all you need to understand that the forex market Nature is dynamic. It's not static. It changes. And the examples I showed you, like this is the year 2008 example, 500 pips move easily in one day. If you take a look at and compare it with year 2023, 140 pips move in one day with the most volatile trading day. And if you look at the uh, smallest trading day, that would be like this one over here. Price only moved 37 pips. 37 pips move in one day. You cannot make money if market is not going to move. I hope you understand this point. Okay, so you want a market that is moving fast, um, so you have a opportunity to make money. But if market is just going to move nowhere, then you are not going to make money. And this means that the method, which whatever it is, the indicators, if you are going to rely heavily on indicators, the indicators, they are going to stop working too. What works today will not work tomorrow or next week or next month. A second idea is to first identify the market environment, which I usually do as well. Okay, I feel no shame to tell you guys that my thing when it comes to using technical indicators, I first identify what kind of a market environment it is, and then use appropriate trading strategies and indicators which works best fit with that particular market environment. Then it's going to work, and the chances are you are going to make money. Now if you guys are interested to learn trading, you want to shorten your learning curve, and you want to learn trading within few days, like some people say they already know the basics, and they want to just learn the trading over the weekend, then I do have some trading courses available. For example, I teach day trading. The full trading course price is 1585 US dollars, and all of these classes are, like I've said earlier, one-to-one classes. um, so for example, here's a trading system, sideways trading strategy. Now what I use sideways trading strategy is obviously different as compared to trend following trading strategy. The indicators, the method, the trading technique, I teach all of it. And you can trade multiple charts. For example, maybe you have a day job, or maybe you're on a side hustle, a side business, so you do not have much time to watch the market. Okay, so you can trade the higher time frame, like 4 hour time frame or daily time frame, with same indicators, same trading rules, same chart patterns, same setup. It works with multiple currencies, multiple time frames. If you want to just learn one trading method, the price is 495 US dollars, and I teach it in 3 days time. That's all. If you want to learn, if you like what you get, but I'm sure you will, you can learn a second sideways trading method. If you are interested to learn trend following trading strategies, which is obviously different, because you trade the market differently when it's in a trending mode or in a trending market environment. You trade differently. uh, the trend following trading method is also available. For those who are interested in trading with chart patterns, with price patterns, that trading course is available as well online. And the last but not least is the trading with Elliott Wave. For those who are interested to learn trading with Elliott Wave, the Elliott Wave trading course is available online as well, and each class run time duration is 1 hour. You can also check out some of the past trades. When I do trading, people ask me for my track record. They want to see how I traded using that particular trading strategy. Okay, so for example, let's look at the smallest one. This is the 70 pips profit that I made in GBUSD currency pair. So let's open it, this one, and I've given some of the the chart examples. Um, okay, so here, and here is a very famous quote by Otto von Bismarck, that only a fool learns from his own mistakes. The wise man learns from the mistakes of others. So here's a chart example. Got this trade set up. So what I did is I took a buy trade in GBUSD currency pair, and I took a a screenshot that, okay, I'm looking for a possible buy trading chance. At the moment the trade isn't open, and then I actually opened a trade. um, and I've even mentioned the time frame. This is the 1 hour chart. The date is mentioned. The trading instrument GBUSD is mentioned there, and market did reach my take profit level, and the trade was closed. Okay, made 70 pips profit. So if you trade the market with a one standard lot, that's 700 US dollar profit. Okay, let's take a look at the biggest trade, 393 pips trade, and here's another one. Very few people manage to make 300 pips profit on a single trade. Okay, especially this is the USD CAD. It's not a fast moving currency pair. So here's the trade example. I took this buy over here in USD CAD currency. I mentioned the time frame and the trading instrument. Okay, and market did go in my favor. So what I did, I moved my stop up, lock in some 51 pips profit. This is called trade management. Once you are in profit, you need to lock in some pips. You do not want to turn a winning trade into a losing trade. Okay, and then market, it did hit the target, and I made 393 pips profit on this one. So all of these trade examples, they are available online on my website. Anyone could access it. And for those who are interested in day trading strategies, they can check out it. The link is also inside the description. All you need to do is to go over to my website, see what you are interested in, and fill the online order form. Okay, I accept online payments, which only takes 5 to 10 minutes time to process it. Okay, so that's it for the time being from my side, and hopefully you guys managed to make some money. Okay, because I did manage to make profit, and here's my proof. I like to show proof, that okay, I made money and you could make money too. So this is your chance. The year is ending. The year 2023 is ending, and if you are looking for a change, I would suggest you to change. Okay, so that's it for the time being from my side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end the today's presentation, stop the live stream, and there are different ways to communicate with me, to talk with me. If you have any questions regarding my trading courses, feel free to check out my website or send me an email with your questions, or do a live chat with me via Skype Messenger. Okay, that's it from my side. Have a nice day, and bye bye.